What's up, my friends? Paul Ingram here, Collie Center, and we're back with day number 3 of our Double Stick Challenge. This is 3 out of 10 videos that's training us up, getting us ready for those that want to take part in the Double Stick Carranza Showdown. And you can enter that for your chance to win some gear and some other really cool Collie Center prizes. And let's go ahead and jump right on in today's training. We need our double sticks. If you missed the previous 2 days, I have a playlist that I'm putting together of this whole challenge. You can go ahead and click right up here. It's going to take you over to that. And you can work day 1 and day 2 and then get caught up. All right, so let's grab our double sticks, hit the thumbs up button, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell to turn on post notifications so you don't miss the upcoming videos to this challenge. Let's go. For today's drill, we're going to be visiting an 8-count Sinawali. Sometimes this is known as lower 8. Other styles, this is known as the LaCosta 8. But before we get to that one, let's do a quick warm-up here. And we have what's called the C cuts. Right here, we're going to work the right hand and left hand. And basically, we're going to cut a C, a high horizontal to a low horizontal in front of the body here. Okay? And we're just going to make some Cs. Just like this, right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, okay? Just like this. Now, as you're working these movements here, you can start putting in more power and strike and strike, strike and strike. So now it's kind of taking the C out, but we can work that. So you can work it like a C, nice and easy, nice and simple, nice, slow and smooth. Or you can work them more as some flat horizontals, high and low. Put in a little more power. Okay, right there. Always good just to start off with a little bit of a warm-up, something a little bit more easy. That way you can get the mind focused and get the body ready. Now for the 8-count Sinawali that we're working, this is the LaCosta 8-count. And other styles and systems, they'll call this like the broken 8. There's a few different names depending on the system that you're training. But we're going to start off right here in the chamber position, the 8-count Sinawali. So Sinawali means to weave. So this is like in day 1, how we're kind of weaving our hands, weaving our weapons. That's what Sinawali means there. But from here, we're going to strike a high horizontal, then we're going to come low horizontal, but this is going to be a broken strike, so it's going to retract. Okay, remember, fluid strikes go all the way through the center line from one side of the body to the next. Broken strikes hit to the center line and retract to the side of origin of the strike. Okay, so from here, we're going to strike a high horizontal fluid and then a low horizontal broken. That's why we had our warm-up that we had with the horizontals. As we bring this back to chamber, we're going to strike up the angle 4 with the left hand and then down with a broken angle 2 on the right hand, and that's going to put us in the left chamber position. And then we just repeat the same 4 movements on the left side. So a high horizontal fluid to a low horizontal broken, come up the angle 4 with the right hand, and then a broken angle 2 with the left hand, right there. And then it starts all over again. Let's make sure we have all 8 strikes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And if you really want to get the good, proper training in this, you want to make sure that you're coming down. You're coming low on that low strike. Okay? Boom, pop, right there. And just start nice and slow and smooth and work it out. Okay, I'm posting these challenge videos every Tuesday and Friday for the month of August. So we're gonna have a total of 10 videos, but I wanted to space them out so that way you got a few days to work on everything. Okay? That way you can really know that you have these movements down. All these striking Sinawali patterns and double stick skills that we're gonna be working throughout this month. I wanna make sure that you know these movements, you know? Not that you've just done them once. All right, right here. Now, we can always play with the variations here. And instead of coming up on that 4, we can play around a little bit and we can come down on the 2. So we can hit high, low, then we can come on down on the 2 and 2, kind of like that heaven 6 from day 1. So hit the high, hit the low, and then 2, and then a broken 2. So let's play around with this variation. And just start nice and slow. Always start slow. Remember, if you cannot do it slow, you can't really do it fast because it won't be precise and accurate. And if you make a mistake, maybe you accidentally go up and you were like, oh man, I meant to go down, that's okay. It's no big deal. Just make note of it and fix it on the next pass. Okay? And then you can also challenge yourself. You can do one side, maybe the right side, I come up the 4, and the left side, I come down the 2. So there's a lot of different little variations that you can start kind of playing with and experimenting with and having fun with just on this one simple 8-count Sinawali. So this is our drill for day 3 on our double stick challenge here. Practice it, master it, and once you have it down, go ahead and type in done down in the comments below. And then I'll see you on Friday for day number